So today we're putting on WedsSport 18x9s, TC105Xs with some Hot Boy tires, RT660s, and then we're gonna tune this thing. By tune it, just swap the ECU because the tuning part's already done. So yeah, after today it's gonna be pretty hot boy. So yeah, they're 18x8, offset 45 plus 45. Yeah, WedsSport TC105Xs. And then they have 245 4018 RT660s. These are mostly just gonna be a street tire. I'll probably do some track days on this, but we'll swap out to 265s when we're ready for competition, like 265 stickers, because yeah, you gotta have sticker tires to do time attack and time trials. So yeah, but they'll be good at least for the street stuff. And I might get another set too. We had the RPF ones that unfortunately didn't fit. Should be pretty sweet, and there should be a good weight savings. We'll take weights of both of them, both before and after. So yeah, should be sweet. I had to like think there for a second.
What?
Which fucking way to go? For reference, me and Patrick had a rough night last night. We're not doing so hot. My brain is moving at like 1 mile per hour.
I should let go.
So we're gonna wait.
Yep. Do some quick math swing. Okay, 149.2. Remember that?
149.2. All right.
Yeah.
188.4. Okay.
All right. So
Let me write that down.
yep. That means that the 18x9 TC105X with 245 4018 RT660s plus TPMS and valve stem and all that stuff weighs a total of 39.2 pounds. No,
Oh,
the deal is there.
interesting wear.
Yeah, that is very interesting wear. They're like almost like
skipping.
delaminating. Well,
That's weird.
that's the problem with P4Ss. When people say that they're a good track tire, they're slow. Like they literally will chunk and fall apart, and that was a big problem with the Pilot Super Sports. They would just like chunk and fall apart.
Huh.
Yeah, that's really weird actually. Because realistically, they haven't been driven in like any inclement conditions like whatsoever. I mean, above 45 degrees basically always. So yeah, I don't know.
That is weird.
P4S is great, the best street tire money can buy. Not a good track tire, just period. All right, ready?
Yep.
Okay, 196.9. The OE, I think they're 19x8, I'm pretty sure, with 245, 35, 19 PS4s with TPMS and everything is 47.7 pounds. So just quick math here. So that's about a 9 pound per corner reduction. So that's 36 pounds of rotational and unsprung mass. So that's big.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot. I mean, 36 pounds in general is a lot, plus rotational mass, it's a lot. And if you ran street tires like, or like AO52s, like RT660s are really heavy. It's just part of the construction in general, but like AO52s are like 4 pounds per lighter. So, I mean, you're getting to 12 pounds per if you have those, or just like street tires in general. So again, should be able to do that. So it's 48, it's almost 50 pounds of rotational mass. So that's pretty significant. You'll feel that for sure. Be mind blown if we didn't feel that. So yeah, let's
throw them on.
Find the rings and then throw them on.
Right.
They work. Yep. No, it looks good. There's like, I mean, dude, I think 18 by 9.5 would fit, to be perfectly honest. is maybe like, I don't know, I mean, I could fit like basically like two of my fingers here, so I don't know, maybe an inch, maybe a little bit less than an inch. So, yeah, that's pretty good.
What, of brake caliper?
No, clearance between the top of the tire and the strut.
Gotcha.
That was a concern too, because these actually have a pretty good amount of room as far as like the fender goes, but the concern was the other way basically. So, yeah, but yeah, the size fits no problem. So it's definitely a good thing. Let's get to the rear. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, they look pretty nice. They're much better than the stock wheels and tires. Again, the height for a stock car is actually pretty solid. It could probably go down like a little bit more, but there isn't really any good spring options yet. There's a couple like, yeah, overseas companies that make them, but to be honest, they look pretty janky. And they're also not linear rate springs, which, yeah, it's definitely not good. You definitely want linear rate, especially for adaptive dampers. So yeah, I mean, it definitely looks a lot better. I will say, as far as fitment goes, you could probably go with 9.5s, I think would fit just fine. There's still a pretty good amount of room under there. So I think for like track fitment stuff, you could probably get away, and again, it's just be competition mostly, but like, yeah, 18 by 9.5s are probably the max you can go with 265s. But yeah, I think that'll fit like no problem, to be perfectly honest. So that's pretty big news for the Elantra crowd, because yeah, that's getting to Type R size wheels, which is what we want to do, especially competing with them. So yeah, no, so looks pretty decent. Again, I don't have any drive time on them, so we'll have to get that before you can actually say anything about it. But
All right, so there it is. That is this video. Overall, my opinion, I think that they look great. I think that they really make the car look a lot more aggressive, a little bit less like a commuter car. So it's sweet, man. I really think that looks awesome. So let us know if you have any questions. I'll put the wheels and the tire specs in the description. And yeah, have a good one.